Welcome back to the HUD, everyone. I'm Zacharoni, and last time I learned who is the strongest brother. The big brother is strong, while the little one is weak, so they have different advantages. Who has a dislike for flowers?
Oh, what?
And who is afraid of the little bad dog?
Oh, come on. I knew. I was guessing he was afraid of dogs, but not like this.
Now we shall continue where we left off, and if you haven't seen the first part, go and watch that first and come back here later. And those who have, please be seated, and here are the leftovers of Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons, Part 2.
And that's enough for now. Let's continue on curing their father. Oh, you're not that helpful. Actually, that's actually a better alternative, really. Sorry about the water splashing, but we just had to. But we're in a hurry, a real big hurry. So yeah, I understand what they're going for with two characters controlled with one controller. So far, well, I think it's a little difficult, really. But so one of them just looks down, the other one spits in it. One of them is the cleaning type. And the other one? Show off. What a show off. Well, nobody's in. Let's try you. Nope, doesn't work. Let's see why when we talk to her. Turn it to go that way. And the boy? Giving her a rocking good time. Another flower. Oh, chickens. Let's try the boy. Well, the younger brother, I should say. Oops. Not the athletic type. Let's try... Come on, that should have been an easy shot. I think we need to do it a bit closer. Oh, camera. Got it! It feels hard taking that ball away from her, but... Okay, we're good and go. Hurrah, hurrah for both of us. Now let's yeah, you can probably tell that this control scheme may be a little bit frustrating because you have to keep an eye on one brother. In fact, keep one brother on the left for the left control and keep the other one on the right. I think that's the best solution for it. Now, which way do we go from here? Another well? Sure you don't want to drop a... Sure you don't want to drop a penny in there? Oh. Oh, gee. That's... I think that served him right for being such a flower obsessive. Check. Oh, we need the other. Yeah, keep the one on the left, keep the one on the right. I, I guess the older brother's not very good. And what about the younger one? Yep, the younger one is the professional of the bunch of the musical instruments. Let's see if well, I'm not sure if I am going the right way, but let's just see what's up here. Wait, there's an old drunk there. Fine, get sobered. See if we care. Little boy? Oh no! No, 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 no. Okay, maybe I might just have a look. So, he's the curious one of the bunch. Don't drink that. Don't let your young ones drink that stuff, parents. I know I don't. If I miss anywhere, I'm sorry. What do we got here? Oh boy. I think one of us needs to distract him. I get it, so... One keeps him busy, the other one runs to the next path. And that was somehow easy, really. Nearly there. Something tells me this deserves a Switch port, so even though we got two disconnect Joy-Con controllers, but I think this is supposed to be played with a single person, but maybe this is played with another person. In fact, having two people with one controller may be a little bit frustrating. So long, puppy dog. Puppy dog. I said puppy, not the other one. Puppy. Well, he can go into shallow water, but what about a waterfall? Oh, nothing. Looks like we'll be climbing again. Oops! I messed that up. Looks like we're gonna have to cross this bridge. Same as usual, one big bird goes on the bottom, little bird goes on the top. Oh, whoa, what the, I guess so. Oops! I think it's a bit more than that, what I figure out now. You go there. I think the first person go first. Then that's... Made it. What do we got here? Oh, not much of an interaction with that parrot. What are you... Oops. Oh, right, yeah. Free bird. Free bird. Oh. Wait. Now to enjoy the perfect scenery. Don't you all agree? Yep. You all agree.
Okay, that's the end of part 2. Check back with me for part 3 later throughout July as I experience this solo co-op adventure. And if you like what you see, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. But until then, I'm Zacharoni. Enjoy your pizza, and I'll see you next time.